Welcome to our ACCA Performance Management course, your ultimate guide to mastering performance management. Whether you're starting fresh or looking to refine your skills, our course has everything you need to succeed. We cover the entire ACCA PM syllabus, ensuring you are well prepared for every aspect of the exam. Our video lectures are designed to be brief, concise, and to the point, so you can learn efficiently and effectively. Our course is structured into lessons, each broken down into bite-sized videos covering specific topics from the study notes. After each video, you'll find a few practice questions to reinforce what you've learned, allowing you to start practicing right away. At the end of each lesson, you'll have access to flashcards to help you revise key concepts and additional questions to test your understanding of the entire chapter. This way, you're constantly reviewing and practicing as you progress. Our chapters are grouped under syllabus parts, and at the end of each part, you'll take a time checkpoint mock exam. This is your chance to consolidate your knowledge and ensure you're ready to move on. We've also added 2 mini-mocks along the way that combine several parts, providing an additional layer of practice and assessment. In addition, our course includes a robust question bank with over 500 Section A questions, 100 Section B questions, and more than 70 Section C questions, all created by us, not copied from other providers. Practice with confidence, knowing you have the best resources at your fingertips. We also offer video debriefs, where we analyse past Section C questions, guiding you on how to approach and answer them effectively. This is your chance to see how top-performing students should tackle these challenging questions. Our courses include up to 6 full mock exams, giving you ample opportunity to test your knowledge under real exam conditions. We offer 2 course options, the Master Course and the Ultimate Course. The Master Course, priced at £159, includes 4 mock exams. The Ultimate Course, at £249, offers even more value with 6 mock exams, including 2 bonus mocks from BPP, plus BPP course and revision kits ebooks. With the Ultimate Course, you're saving over £119 compared to buying these resources separately. Plus, you can submit up to 3 Section C questions for human marking by our experienced tutors. This personalised feedback is invaluable in fine-tuning your exam technique. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our students have to say about the course. Ready to start your journey to ACCA PM success? Choose the course that fits your needs and gain access to all the tools and support you need to pass with confidence. Enroll today and take the next step towards achieving your ACCA qualification.